Are you tired of watching your website traffic drop because AI search engines are stealing your clicks? What if you could force those same AI networks to recommend your site first? Welcome to my review of how to rank your site on AI networks. Here is my honest first impression. If you were looking for a magic software that builds a business while you sleep, close this video. This is not for you. But if you have a real website and you want a proven step-by-step blueprint to get your pages surfaced in AI answers and recommendations, this course is exactly what you need. Stick around until the end because I am going to show you a massive bonus package I put together that you will only get if you buy through my link in the description. So what exactly is how to rank your site on AI networks and who is it for? Search is changing. People do not just search anymore, they ask AI. This training is a practical system that shows you how to structure your pages so AI networks actually extract and reward your content. It's built for bloggers, affiliate marketers, and website owners who want to stop guessing and start getting clear, repeatable ranking improvements. It solves the biggest problem right now, which is having great content but getting skipped by AI search engines because your page structure is confusing to them. Let's look inside the training. As you can see on my screen, the course is broken down into a step-by-step blueprint. You start with the foundations of how AI systems process content. Then you move into the practical stuff. You'll see exactly how to pick the right keywords that actually move the needle. My favorite part is Module 5, which gives you the exact structure and formatting you need for AI readability. It even includes a 60-minute fast start plan. You literally take one of your existing pages, spend an hour tweaking the headings and user intent, and you can start seeing results almost immediately. It's pure meat, no fluff. Now let's talk about the upgrades. When you pick up the main course today, you'll see a few optional offers in the funnel. These usually include advanced optimization templates, over-the-shoulder case studies, and done-for-you resources. You do not need them to see results with the main course, but if you want to speed up your process and save time formatting your pages, they're definitely worth grabbing. Now for the best part. If you decide to pick up how to rank your site on AI networks through my link in the description, I'm throwing in a custom bonus package to guarantee your success. I have handpicked 10 premium tools just for you. Bonus number 1 is WP Swift Page plugin. This instantly increases your site speed and drops your bounce rate, which is a massive ranking factor. Bonus number 2 is Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. This tool uncovers hidden, profitable keywords from 6 different top search engines. Bonus number 3 is Article Analyzer. You can run your content through this to check your keyword density and make sure it is perfectly optimized for search engines. Bonus number 4 is Backlinks Warrior software. This finds high-quality, relevant backlinks to push your site higher in the search results. Bonus number 5 is Traffic Secrets Unleashed. This training shows you how to get laser-targeted visitors for pennies on the dollar. Bonus number 6 is Leadbook Generator. It easily integrates your Facebook ads with your autoresponder to build your email list on autopilot. Bonus number 7 is Conversion Equalizer. This automatically boosts your ad campaign conversions so you don't waste a single cent of your budget. Bonus number 8 is Soci Ultima. This is an all-in-one tool to drive free social media traffic directly to your brand new content. Bonus number 9 is Opt-in Monster. This allows you to easily add high-converting opt-in panels to your site to turn your new AI traffic into loyal subscribers. And bonus number 10 is WP Checkout Maximizer. Once you get the traffic and the leads, this plugin ensures they actually buy from you by increasing your checkout page conversions. Here's the final verdict. SEO is evolving fast. If you keep playing the old game, you'll lose your traffic. This course gives you the exact framework to win the new AI search game, but you need to act fast. My 10 exclusive bonuses are strictly limited to the first 25 buyers only. Once those 25 spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonus package down completely. So click the link in the description right now to secure your copy and lock in your exclusive bonuses before it's too late. Thank you for watching my How to Rank Your Site on AI Networks review. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and marketing strategies. After you purchase through my link, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt. See you in the next video.